Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert Funly chart in MS Word. So very easily you can insert it. So firstly you need to click on insert. Now here you see this chart option, so just click on it. Now in this list you find this Funly option, so just click on it, this chart. Now click on OK. So very easily you can insert. You see here you can very easily insert it, and you can change the title also, and you can change the style, color, and more. So this way you can very easily insert Funly chart in MS Word. So thanks for watching this video.